Hello and welcome to Keepsales. Now in this video, we will be looking at today's sales online. Okay, so anytime you log in to your desktop app, okay, there are two major functionalities. New transaction is where the selling takes place, and then today's sales is where you are able to check all transactions that are done. Okay, so now this desktop app can be used either online or offline. So we are going to check today's sales online. That's all the sales that we made today online. Okay, so let's click on it and then it brings us here. Okay, so if we maximize it, you are able to see some stats, okay, available for you here. So you see all the sales that you have made for the day, the number of customers that walked into your shop, the number of transactions that were done, the number of quantities that was sold, okay, and other related stats, okay, even breakdown, okay, of any relevant payments, whether they were cash payments or mobile money payments or card payments or bank deposits. Okay, so over here you are able to search for the transaction ID. If a customer returns an item, all right, you can just search for the transaction over here, all right, and you're able to find it in that on the table, all right, in the table. Okay, good. So over here we see all the transactions that we have made today. Okay, you see all the transactions that we have made today. Now you can cancel transactions, okay, you can reprint receipts, and then you have all the details that are available to you over here. So the transaction ID, the products that were sold, the unit price, okay, you see the quantities displayed here, the total involved, the discount, the person that initiated all those sales. So different people with different accounts, okay, can sell for the day, and you're able to tell who sold what depending on the accounts that they used, and all the other details that are involved, including the notes as well. Okay, so this is how you check for your today's sales online. I hope you enjoyed this video. There are more of such amazing videos available for you, so do well to check them all out. I'll see you again in our next video. Have a wonderful time and bye bye.